Notion is a really flexible and powerful tool, but one area that's slightly lacking is its automations features. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a really simple way to start building your own custom AI automations on top of your Notion workspace. So to build the automation on top of my Notion workspace, I'm going to be using Bizway. Once I'm in my account, just add a new workflow. So this is a new feature of Bizway, which is we can now select a Notion database or a Notion page to be the output of our AI workflow. So in this tutorial, I'll be building a simple tech news digest. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an instruction which is going to summarize a URL, and the URL is going to be wired.com, which is a tech news website with up-to-date stories. We're just going to say summarize the top of the day. And that's the only instruction that we're going to add for this particular workflow. We're going to set it to run daily, 9 a.m. And the result of this workflow, we want to send it to Notion. So now we can choose add to Notion. The type of page that we want to create is a database page. And all I need to do is get the database ID and write some instructions for what I want to do when adding this to my Notion database. So this is the database that I'll be editing in Notion. And to get the database ID, the simplest way is to copy the link, open it up in a browser, and in the URL, which you can't see in this video, you just need to select the section after your Notion site's name, grab that, and paste it in this section here. And for my instructions, I can just describe what I would like to do with the content from this little URL summary here. So I'm going to say sort the document into the relevant properties for the date, give today's date. For the link, just use wired.com. And that's it. If I want this to run every day, all I can do is turn on this automation schedule. It's going to run daily at 9 a.m. Head over to wired.com, summarize the top stories, and add it to my Notion database. But let's just test that out quickly rather than waiting until tomorrow morning. Let's run the workflow, and we'll see that our new item has been added here, tech.wired.com, and it's given today's date. Click in. We've got the story Get In, talking about Waymo, favorite pillows. Let's just head over to wired.com. Check those top tech stories. Big story. This is our Waymo spot. So it seems to have taken the top leading headline from each section of the wired.com website and added those into this little digest. So obviously that's just a very simple little quick report. This is now running every day at 9 a.m. But the cool thing is now we can leverage Bizway's powerful workflow builder with all of these different logic steps. So we can generate images, loop through items, look up URLs. And now if you're a Notion user, instead of working with Notion's currently limited automation sequences where you really can only add pages and edit properties, now we can use these AI steps to get Bizway to do some work for us and store the result in our Notion workspace. I think this Notion integration is going to be really complementary for Bizway. So Notion's really good with databases and managing lots of knowledge items. And Bizway can introduce a lot of the more flexible AI-powered workflow steps. And together you should have a system that can really help you manage a lot of the knowledge work that gets done in your business. So I'm looking forward to improving and adding more to this Notion integration. If you have ideas or feedback, please do let me know. And if you want to try out Bizway, you can try every feature that you've seen in this video free for 7 days just by heading to bizway.io. Thanks for watching.